Hey friend, so back at it again with another celebrity makeup recreation. Today we're doing a little AI, but Nicki inspired. But yeah, so this is Nicki Minaj. It's AI. But yeah, this is made from Nicki the Star AI on Instagram. When I saw this, Miss Bruh, I had to recreate. And I know it's not autumn, it's not fall, but do you see that picture? You were gonna recreate this too, right? So let's get it started, friend. Hey friends, so I decided to do a voiceover for this part, the tutorial part of the video, because girl, we gotta make things move along a little faster. But yeah, y'all already know I love these Jessup brushes. Jessup, you did your big one, so go and get them brushes and them beauty blenders. Yes, don't tell me I didn't tell you, because they good, they're fire, they're bomb. Anyways, so yeah, on the eye I used my concealer from e.l.f. for the base, and then under my brow I used my, that eyeshadow is, hold on, I'm gonna talk about that in a minute. But yeah, under my eyebrow I used my foundation powder, and this palette is from ColourPop. It's called It's a Mood, and girl, ColourPop, they do they big ones with these eyeshadows. Do you see that? Do you see it? Look at the pigmentation, baby. But yeah, I'm using a blending brush to pack on that. This is not my typical thing, but for this time, because I want to use these particular brushes, I use that blending brush to pack on the color, but then, as you can see, I blended it out. But pack it on first, friend. Pack it on. Now, in the picture, you can't really tell if there's a darker shadow in the outer part of her eye, but for me, and what I can see, I'm just going to put a little something there. So I just took a darker brown and put it just at the edge of my eye. I'm not taking it all the way to the front, like where the first eyeshadow is by the front of my brow. I'm just keeping it right at the end of my brow, and I'm packing on with one of the Jessup brushes. And moving on to this palette, y'all. Girl, who else has this palette? This is the Morphe 35B. This is 2024. Who else is using Morphe 35B palette like this? Nobody but me. It's okay. Listen, the palette still works. I'ma still use it because I paid for it and it's mine, right? So when I was looking for stuff for this look, I was like, I need this lid color because it's like a peachy color, and I'm like, it's a peachy matte color. I'm like, I don't be using those type of colors. But lo and behold, I'm searching, and bada bing, bada boop, Miss Morphisha, she came through with this 35B palette, babe. You see it. It literally matches the picture so perfectly. Thank you, Morphe girl. Anyways, moving on to my base, I use the e.l.f. matte putty, not concealer, child, primer, and the Smashbox primer. Y'all already know what I'm using for my foundation. It's the same one I've been using. And if I don't say a product that I'm using, where should you look for that information, friend? Right, in the caption. Amen, amen. Yeah, I'm using one of the Jessup beauty blenders. These beauty blenders are everything from them. This is the Urban Decay, what's it called? Stay Naked Quickie concealer, and I'm using two of them, one for my concealer and one for my what's it called, contour. And this brush right here I absolutely love for blending out my concealer around my mouth and for my contour, not under my eyes, because under my eyes I have large, girl, I don't know why I'm showing off the beauty blender, but yeah, you can see it, girl. The beauty blender is everything from Jessup. But yeah, I like that particular brush for those two areas, but not under my eye to blend on my concealer, because it doesn't jive well. But yeah, I use my foundation powder all over my face. Duh, that's what it's for. Moving on. But yeah, I love that brush. I need like 10 more. Jessup, if you're watching this video, you're probably not, but if you are, I need like 10 more of those brushes, because that particular brush right there, she's my fave. But yeah, going in with some matte bronzer in, I think, Moonlight Beach from ColourPop to contour. Even though it looks like I'm bronzing, I promise you it's contouring. And I'm using Zakiya from the Magic palette from Juvia's Place. I believe that's what it's called. Using another what is this, Walhalla 2? I think it's Walhalla 2. Taking that eyeshadow and putting that in the inner corner, because we love an inner corner highlight moment. This is very 2016, and I love it. Absolutely. Look at how sharp I did that eyeshadow. Yeah. And yeah, friend, that's it. Don't I look good? Look at the lip. Look at the lip. I matched the lip perfectly. The hair is giving. I actually uploaded a video about this wig. Go watch it. Yeah, period. And I did my little big one. And you know who also did their big one? Jessup with these brushes. Friend, go get you these brushes. This particular set.